Okay, we are trying to find this. Clue 1 tells me that x and y are positive. Because I have a compound inequality, it says 0 is less than x. 0 is less than 1, 0 is less than 2. So that tells me x and y are positive. So that means I could multiply both sides by x or multiply both sides by y because they're both positive. I don't have to worry about either one of them being negative, where I would have to reverse my inequality symbol. So I'm trying to prove this top statement. Well, I know x is less than y, which is the same thing as y is greater than x. I'm doing that to get a greater than symbol. At least I've got that in the top to make it match that. Now, I want to end up with an x plus 1 and a y plus 1. So I'm going to add an xy plus y, adding xy to both sides, and xy plus x. Now, you see how I can factor a y out on the left-hand side, and that's how I get that x plus 1 greater than, factor an x out on the right. That leaves me y plus 1. Now, can I make it look like that very top line? Yes, divide both sides by y plus 1, divide both sides by this, and I get x plus 1 over y plus 1. Now divide both sides by y, and I get x over y, which is this. So this works. Forget about clue 1. Clue 2, it's not going to work. It's too many possibilities. X times y is greater than 0. That means x and y, both of them, are greater than 0, or it means x and y are both negative, because a negative times a negative is a positive. And so you've got too many combinations. That's not going to work to figure that out. Answer is A.